Menstruation. Days 1 through 5. The functional layer of the endometrium is shed. Estrogen and progesterone levels are relatively low, and follicle stimulating hormone begins recruiting new follicles. Follicular phase. Days 6 through 13. Follicles grow under the influence of follicle stimulating hormone. A dominant follicle produces increasing estradiol, while the endometrial lining rebuilds. Ovulation. Day 14. Sustained high estradiol triggers positive feedback, resulting in a surge of luteinizing hormone. The mature egg is released from the dominant follicle. Luteal phase. Days 15 through 28. The ruptured follicle transforms into the corpus luteum and secretes progesterone. The endometrium becomes secretory and prepares for potential egg implantation.